We are reviewing the GOTIDEAL Liquid Chalk Markers. Now, we got two different kinds. We got the 15 mil and the 6 mil, and they are amazing. We did have to prep them also. I mean, when you first get them out, you're gonna push them down. We used a cardboard box, and we got all the liquid to come down to the tip, and then they are to be stored sideways. And then when we put it back in the box, and then they are perfect for crafts, for drawing, for paper, for glass. They're so easy to wipe off. So every time one of these think they have messed up, we just get a wet rag and we wipe it off. So this is how it looks on a sketch pad. Really fun, vibrant colors. We got more. So if you've got like a business, say hi.
Hello.
And some signage that you need to do, these are amazing. Artists for hire right here. And it's a great project to keep them busy. Okay, so highly recommend these. These are amazing. They have been busy at work. This is so fun. If you've got a business, you need signage. I got artists for hire over here. We've also got it working on a sketch pad right here. And so it can go on multiple surfaces. So good for cardboard too. That's how we got the marker started, was just the pressing down on the cardboard. But I'm like so impressed at the window stuff. Like it comes off so easy. You just wipe it clean. These are amazing. Highly recommend if you've got crafty kids or if you need these for your business signage.